So here what is happening is so that I have started the session of asking the question and answer, because it will help you to learn the question answer, and it will develop your fluency of English. Once you will learn, you can answer the question very properly, and it is a good habit. So I would like to develop a good habit among you. Once you will speak the answer, it will learn for always, forever. That's why I have started this session. Before starting it, I would like to suggest some few points which is very, very helpful for you. Whenever you are going to discuss over the chapter what it has been given, just do the conversation between the friends over the lesson, what the lesson is being provided you. Once if you discuss with your students, your friend, you will do the conversation over the chapter, definitely this chapter will learn. There is no need to sit at home for 2 to 3 hours. No need at all. By walking, by talking, even in the playground, you can learn the chapter well. But talk it over the lesson with your friends. It's a good habit. Discuss about the chapter. Suppose you learn something, your friend learns something. Now you just discuss among you. Over the lesson, my teacher is going to ask us tomorrow, did you learn? You will see a very fantastic idea will generate. You ask your friend, talk over the lesson. If sir have given the lesson, the fun they had, have you learned it? If you have learned, please ask me few questions, I will answer. So what will be happen by talking, by walking, by playing in the ground, you can revise your chapters. This is a good idea. It will be very effective. The same we were doing when we were the student like you. We were discussing. हम क्या करते थे, स्पेशल कहीं लेके बैठते नहीं थे बुक्स को, क्योंकि पता है कि यह पहले से कहानी है, तो कहानी है द फन दे हैड, तो इसमें क्या फन है, क्या स्टोरी है, हमें तो पता है, हमने स्टोरी पढ़ा, लेकिन वो स्टोरी तब तक कंप्लीट नहीं होता है जब स्टोरी को हम किसी के सामने सुना नहीं देते हैं। जब कोई बात हमारे मुंह से निकल जाती है, दूसरे तक चली जाती है, वो नॉलेज जो है हमें और डेवलप हो जाता है। जो कुछ याद नहीं भी है वो भी याद हो जाता है, वो हमारी मेमोरी माइंड में आ जाता है। और बोलते हैं ना कि ज्ञान जो है वो खर्च करने से क्या होता है, वो बढ़ता है। यदि आप अपने दोस्त को सुनाएंगे, आप अपने दोस्त से पूछेंगे कि अच्छा बताओ तुमने ये स्टोरी पढ़ा द फन दे हैड, इस स्टोरी में मेन कैरेक्टर किसका है, कौन कौन मेन कैरेक्टर है, ये कहानी किस बारे में है, राइटर ने क्या इस कहानी में लिखा है जिसका नाम उन्होंने दिया द फन दे हैड, what kind of fun is going on the lesson, how many characters have come in this lesson, what was the name of the main characters. If you discuss with your friends, it's my challenge that there is no need to sit at home for learning is, no need to give extra time for learning. Obviously you will learn so much by discussing, by doing conversation. So these two are the main idea which I would like to discuss with you. You just do the conversation between among the friends. आप एक दूसरे से बात करो उस चैप्टर के बारे में, कि देखना आपकी जो भी चैप्टर से रिगार्डिंग कोई भी बातें होगी वो ऑटोमेटिकली आपके माइंड में आ जाएगी और आप आंसर देने के काबिल हो जाएंगे, आपका हेजिटेशन दूर होगा। आप देखे होंगे कोई जो गुड स्पीकर होते हैं, लेक्चर होते हैं, टीचर होते हैं, वो ऑलवेज क्या करते हैं, स्पीक करते हैं, वो स्पीच देते हैं, और स्पीच देने से क्या होता है, उनकी नॉलेज आपस में जो क्या बढ़ जाते हैं। उसी प्रकार से आप एक बीइंग ए टीचर, आप टीचर बन जाओ एक दूसरे के लिए, और आप उससे क्वेश्चन पूछो अपने दोस्त से, देखो कितनी सारी बातें आपको वहीं पर उसी समय ऑन द स्पॉट आपको याद हो जाएंगे। तो नाउ लेट अस बिगिन टुडे द चैप्टर द फन दे हैड। First of all, don't skip the class. Don't leave the class. Don't be panic at all.
Good morning, sir.
पैनिक होने की कोई बात नहीं है और ना तो क्लास को स्किप करने की बात है. जिन बच्चों को नहीं आता है वो बच्चे चुपचाप सुनेंगे. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गिव हियर एनी पनिशमेंट, नॉट स्कॉल्डिंग. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू बी फायर ऑन एनीवन. नो शाउटिंग विल बी. Just I will ask, and those who will be taking the name here, they will do the video on. हम जिससे बात करेंगे उसकी केवल वीडियो ऑन होगी उस समय जिससे हम बात करते रहेंगे. It is must. Then I can talk. Whether I can't like to talk with you. जिनकी वीडियो ऑन नहीं होगी हम उससे बात नहीं करेंगे. और जो क्लास को स्किप कर रहे हैं यू जस्ट यू आर द लूजर. जो बच्चे क्लास को लिख कर रहे हैं समझो कि आप लूजर हो. या तो कहीं ना कहीं आपके मन में फियर है. फियर किस बात की है? या तो आपने क्लास से अटेंटिव होकर नहीं सुना टीचर की बातें, या तो आप अपने पेरेंट्स को धोखा दे रहे हैं, आप उनकी बातों को अवहेलना कर रहे हैं, बात नहीं मान रहे हैं, या आप चुपचाप कान में लीड लगा करके और काम आप दूसरा कर रहे थे, उनकी बातों को नहीं सुन रहे. That's why one day in advance, well in advance, I have given the lesson so that you will read, you will learn, and you will be able to answer in the classroom. My dear students, here now I would like to discuss regarding the lesson, the fun they had. Now let me see. Yeah, good. Number of children are here, 22. Thank you. So many students are over here. Yes. Ankit Yadav. Turn on your video first of all. I would like to talk with you. Ankit Yadav. Turn on your video. Yes. Turn on your video. Then I can talk. Whether I know any objection, you can go.
Yes,
हम
sir.
उन्हीं से बात करेंगे जिसकी वीडियो ऑन होगी. और मैं जिसका नाम लेता हूँ, टर्न योर वीडियो. अंकित यादव, आई वुड लाइक टू टॉक विद यू. आमिश आप स्क्रीन पर हमेशा सामने में कैसे? या अंकित यादव.
Yes, sir.
ऑन योर वीडियो.
सर कर दिया.
Yeah, good. Ankit, don't be panic first of all because you are new students. Welcome, you are a good students. You tell me, have you read the lesson what I have given yesterday? Have you heard the story about this, the fun they had?
सर पढ़ा लेकिन सर समझ में नहीं आया सर.
Okay. Since you are the new students, now here I would like to talk with the Jagriti on your video. Turn on your video,
Yes, sir.
Jagriti. Turn on your video. I would like to talk with you. Turn on your video. Not visible. Yeah, now it's clear. Welcome here. Are you in the village? Can you hear me? Jagriti, can you
Yes,
hear
sir.
me? Are you in the village right now?
Yes, sir, I can hear. Yes, sir, I can hear.
Okay.
Yes, sir, I am. Yes, sir.
Miss Jagriti, we all, not only me, we all want to know
Yes, sir.
how many main characters are there over the lesson, the fun they had. Can you name? Who are the main
Yes, sir.
character of the lesson? Yeah. Tell me.
The Tom, Maria, and his mother, grandfather, and one mechanical teacher.
Turn on your video. Your video is off.
Sir, on है.
ऑन है आपकी वीडियो, बट आई एम नॉट. अभी तो आपको yeah, Tommy and Margie, right? Tommy and Margie
Yes, sir.
are
Yes,
two
sir.
main characters of this lesson, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Basically, what about the writer have written in this chapter? Can you discuss? What about they have written? He has written. What about? Basically, what about he has written?
Sir,
इस बारे में कहानी लिखी हुई है.
Sir, about school at right now and about the future.
Yeah. what the time he has mentioned in this story? What was the year which he has imagined? वो कौन सा साल?
2157.
Yeah, good. Who answer?
Shreya.
Yeah, right. 2157. 2157 and now it is running 220. अभी 2020 चल रहे हैं और राइटर ने अपनी कहानी में far far away, his sight is very far away, उसकी जो दृष्टिकोण है बहुत दूर है, वो 2157 के बारे में उन्होंने इमेजिनेशन किया है, कल्पना करके एक कहानी लिखा है कि कमिंग टाइम इन 2157 जो 2020 चल रहा है अभी, तो 2157 जब आएगा उस समय स्कूल की स्थिति क्या होगी, कैसा स्कूल होगा, उसकी कल्पना की गई है इस कहानी में. राइट सस्मिता, एम राइट?
Yes, sir.
राइट एवरीवन गॉट?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. In this story, the writer have tried to tell us what it would be in the future in 2157. What kind of school would be there? उस समय स्कूल की स्थिति क्या होगी? Who would be teacher there? So he had told us कि there a teacher would be a mechanical teacher would be there. A robot, computer would be the main teacher over there. 2000 जब 2157 जब आएगा, 2157 जब होगा, उस समय का जो टीचर होगा वो रोबोट होगा, जिसे हम मैकेनिकल टीचर बोलते हैं. और स्कूल जो होगी वो क्या होगा? अपना रूम, जहां पर हम जिस घर में रहते हैं ये हमारा स्कूल बन जाएगा. नो नीड टू गो एनीवेयर. Our residence would be turned in the school according to the writer. And the book will be the daily books. Note this book what today we are studying, this kind of book would not be available there. There it would be the daily books. Daily books मतलब कंप्यूटर पे स्क्रीन पर बुक होगा. जो आज हम बुक जो है आप देख रहे हैं, जिसे आप गूगल कहते हो, बुक सर्च करते हो, वहां पर वो बुक होगा 2157 में. जब 2157 सन आएगा उस समय की जो बुक्स होगी वो टेली बुक्स होगी. एंड आवर रेजिडेंस would be the school. There is no need to go anywhere for the studying. It is the imagination of the writer itself. इस कहानी में राइटर की एक कल्पना है. तो in this story you found there are two main characters, Tommy and Margie. So what Tommy and Margie are doing in this story you found. Hopefully you have read out it yesterday. So now I am just opening the books here and I would like to ask much more questions from you, because I want to know how many of you are really serious. Those who are leaving the class, no me. I am not bothering for them. हमें वैसे बच्चों के टेंशन नहीं लेना है. जिस स्कूल को स्किप, क्लास को स्किप करते हैं, क्लास को छोड़ के चले जाते हैं, they are the loser. Totally they are the loser. वो लूजर हैं, क्योंकि क्लास ज्वाइन करने के बाद भी यदि हमें कोई गेनिंग नहीं हो रहा है तो फिर कोई फायदा नहीं है क्लास को ज्वाइन करने से. वो सभी बच्चे हमारे लिए थैंकफुल हैं जो अपने टीचर की बात को मान करके क्लास को ज्वाइन करते हैं और उन्हें कुछ आंसर देते हैं. आई लाइक इट रियली. यू ऑल आर बीइंग वेलकम बाय मी, especially those children who are coming forward to answer the questions. Now here I am going to share the screen and again I would like to know from you people. Okay, till here just few questions I want. Yeah, just I'm
Excuse
taking
me,
the
sir.
name here. Yeah, who is? Yeah, you can tell.
Sir, Amish.
Yeah,
Sir,
Amish,
I
you
have
can.
to.
Yeah, Amish,
Sir,
you can. On your
sir,
video,
today
Amish.
you. Sir, I have opened.
Yeah, right. But yeah, open.
Sir,
Okay.
today did you check our copy?
Yeah, I'm just asking. Amish, where are you? Just let me find. Yeah, Amish, you show.
Sir,
You show
in
your.
front you.
Yeah, show.
Sir,
Yeah, on screen I can see. Show your fair notebook. Yeah, show me. Yes, Amish. You all are looking very bright. Very good. I'm very happy today because you all have done the on your video. Thank you for the cooperating. Yeah, where? He gone. Yes, fine. Yes, I can see. Amish, thank you. Yes, now turn. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Amish. Yes. Now, Amish, I would like to ask few questions. Can you answer me? Can you hear me,
Yes, sir.
Amish? Amish,
Yes,
yeah,
sir. You
good.
can ask.
Yeah, now Aarti is in front of me. Welcome, Aarti here. Welcome. Are you in the village or in Gurgaon?
Sir, I'm in Gurgaon.
Okay, fine. Welcome here. Yes, Amish.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, there are two main characters, Margie and Tommy. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
What were their ages?
Sir, Margie is 12-year-old girl and Tommy is 13-year-old boy.
Who were getting the homework from the geography in computer?
Sir, Margie.
Yeah. Why she was annoyed little bit?
Sir, she invited little bit because she did not like the modern technology study. He like past technology that we are studying.
Okay. Now I'm coming to the Aarti. Aarti, have you seen the chapter yesterday? आरती, क्या आपने चैप्टर देखा था?
Yes, sir.
Good. Yeah, good. Who found the book of his grandfather?
Sir, Tommy found book.
I can't. Not
Sir, Tommy found book.
you. Off. You will. Sound is off. Open it.
Sir, on है. Sir, Tommy found the book.
Yes, Aarti.
Sir, Tommy found the book.
Who found the book?
Tommy found the book.
Now I am coming to the Manishankar Jha. Yes, Manishankar. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
I can't hear you. I can't hear. Manishankar, I can't hear.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I can hear them.
Hello? I can't hear you, Vitai.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you hear, other boy? I can't hear.
Yes, sir. आवाज
I
आ रही है
can
आपकी?
hear.
Can you hear?
Sir,
आपकी आवाज-
yes, sir.
your voice
Sir,
is
I
coming.
can hear.
Sir, your voice is coming, sir.
I think voice was not coming.
Sir,
Someone is
सर
can
आपकी
hear.
आवाज आ रही है.
everyone.
We can
Sir,
hear.
Sir, we can hear, but you can't hear.
I'm unable to hear you all.
Sir, lead हटाओ
आपकी
सर.
there's
बात-
something
voice
problem.
में नहीं आ रही बेटा.
सर एक बार सर लीड हटाओ.
Can you hear me?
Lead.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सर सुन ही नहीं रहे. सर सर लीड खराब हो गया शायद.
बच्चे लोग बोल
Sir, your lead. Sir, your lead. Turn
Headphone.
Out the, sir, turn out the lead, sir. Sir, turn out the lead, sir. Then you can listen.
Sasmita, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
But
sir.
I am not. Just
Sir, turn out the lead, sir. Sir, no voice.
Yeah, I am listening you. Yeah, I can listen you, Amish. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
You?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. Now it's okay. Okay, thank you. Yeah, Manish Shankar, huh?
Yes,
Manish
sir.
Shankar. Yeah,
Yes,
now you
sir.
tell me who found the book.
Tommy.
Good. From where he found?
Storeroom.
Yeah. Who were reading this book?
Mari.
No, no. Grandfather.
Oh, sorry, sir.
It was the book of his grandfather,
Father.
right? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
grandfathers. Yeah, grandfather's books he found one day in a storeroom, right?
Yes, sir.
Right? Yeah, good. Here I would like to share the screen so that I can ask a lot. No, now here I am sharing. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What happened? Uh, I can't see. Acha, one. Yeah, I got. Sasmita, now you just answer me.
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me, Sasmita?
Yes, sir.
Now you just do the summary of the lesson. What the story going on in this chapter?
This one they had is a story written by Isaac Asimov. There are two main characters in the story, Margie and Tommy. Margie is 11-year-old and Tommy is 13-year-old boy. Margie is a girl. So Tommy found an old book about school in past in his attic. So Margie was not so interested in reading the book, but when she found that it was a building and man was a teacher to teach
Very
them,
good.
so she got interest. She got interest in the book and wanted to read that. When Margie's mother called her to attend the school in her room, she went to her school and um, said Tommy to bring the book after the school. So before one before 1 month, Margie has some technical problem in her school robot teacher. Her geography section her geography section was too quickly. It gave her so many tests again and again. So mm, her mother called an uh, a county inspector to um, to um, her mother called an county inspector to check the problem in the robotic teacher. So he found that the geography section is little quick. So he managed it
Just
to the
hold.
10 year.
Just hold. Just hold here, Sasmita. Just hold here. One. Just let me. We have 10 minutes. Just let me. Ankit Yadav, Jagriti, Anjali Lohia. Anjali Lohia, turn on your video. Anjali Lohia. Can you hear me, Anjali? I think she is unable to hear me. Amrita Sahani, can you hear me? Amrita Sahani?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, turn on your video. Da. Yes, Amrita. Yes. Amrita, you answer me why Maji's mother was annoyed with geography teacher. Why Maji was annoyed with geography teacher?
Mechanical teacher.
Why she was annoyed with the geography teacher? Why she was annoyed with the geography teacher? Yes, Amrita. What is the difference between the mechanical teacher and a real teacher, beta? What is the difference between a mechanical teacher and a real teacher? In the story, there is a mechanical teacher, but I am the real teacher. Meaning we are the real teacher. So according to this lesson, what is the difference between a mechanical teacher and a real teacher? No. Another boy. Just I would like to ask you. Badal, can you answer me?
यस सर.
Yes, Badal.
सर मैं हिंदी में बताऊं?
Why not in English?
सर
Yeah. Speak.
सर मैकेनिकल
Badal.
टीचर वो होता है सर कंप्यूटर पे ऑन स्क्रीन पे वो पढ़ाएंगे और रियल टीचर जैसे आप सामने बैठ के.
वो भी सामने होता है.
बट सर वो कंप्यूटर के स्क्रीन पे होता है ना उनका चैप्टर. हमारे पास बुक होता है ना.
हाँ. We have a real books.
यस सर.
Sir, may I?
Over there,
Sir,
there are
may
tele
I-
books.
Sir, may I?
Yeah. Who?
Sir, Ramesh.
Actually, I wanted to see all the participate. Na? That's why I am asking each and everyone. Yeah. Here, Bittu Kumar ji. Bittu Kumar, can you hear me? Bittu, can you hear me? स्क्रीन पर गुड पिक्चर आपने लगाया है. कैन यू हेयर मी बिट्टू? और ये डॉग का पिक्चर किनका है? दिस वन. नो नेम इज हियर. हु इज ही? हु इज दिस वन? I'm not getting the name where there is a picture of a dog. This one. Who is this one? No name is here. Aditya, can you answer me? Aditya. Aditya, can you answer me? Not hearing. Prince. Now, Prince,
Yes, sir.
can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Turn on your video. Yes, Prince. Good students. Turn on video. Though will not do the video on, I can't ask the question. It means they are
Yes,
not
sir.
interested. But I am not getting you very well. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Prince,
Yes, sir.
you tell me. Why the Maji was annoyed with the geography teacher? Why Maji was annoyed with geography teacher?
सर जो उनके ज्योग्राफी हिंदी में बताएं.
Why not in English? You can try to
Sir.
speak in English. But this is the time where we can improve ourselves. That's why this session I have started.
The geography teacher he to test ले रहा था जिससे मार्जी के नंबर कम आ रहे थे. इसी कारण
Yes.
वो मार्जी से पसंद
Yeah,
नहीं
yeah.
करती थी.
Right. Now in Hindi you are absolutely right. but you have to try to little bit to speak English. ना, this is the way only where we can develop ourselves. यही एक तरीका
Yes,
है
sir.
जहाँ हम अपने आप को डेवलप कर सकते हैं, और बहुत अच्छा स्किल मिला है क्योंकि आप अभी से भी अपने घर में हैं, तो यू आर फीलिंग कंफर्टेबल देयर, हैं? तो you have to
Yes, sir.
develop yourself. Now come to the here. Amrita participated. Aarti also participated. Abhishek Sharma. Who? Abhishek Sharma, can you on your video? Abhishek Sharma.
Yes, sir.
Turn on your video. Abhishek Sharma.
Sir, Curly.
Yeah, Abhishek. Why Margie was annoyed with the geography teacher? Speak in English.
Margie invited the mechanical teacher because the geography section is moved to the fast forward, and he was not attending carefully, and there were marks were coming low, so she was invited with the mechanical teacher, and his
Yeah, good.
mother also sold them.
Yeah, good. Here, since I would like to summarize you all. Now you all listen to me carefully. Thank you so much. First of all, those who have participated today, I have a little bit time, but few of the children though are listening, even they are not coming on the screen. It's a very bad. Really, they are the loser. I just told you, this session has been started only to develop your fluency in English. I want to see you to speak English. That's why I have started this session. And one more, another thing, if you will answer the question, there will no need to give the extra time for learning the English. On this spot, on the screen, if you are coming, it will develop your knowledge. You will be more better than for future. आप इसके लिए फ्यूचर के लिए आपका अच्छा है, क्वेश्चन को याद करने की एक्स्ट्रा जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, पेपर के समय में आपको मेहनत करने की आवश्यकता नहीं पड़ेगी। यदि आप पे टाइम टू टाइम जो लेसन दिया जाता है उसके अकॉर्डिंग यदि आप लर्न करके आते हैं तो सभी बच्चे पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे, तो टीचर को खुशी होती है कि चलिए जितने बच्चे हैं सभी ने कुछ ना कुछ पार्टिसिपेट किया है। ये तो आज पहला दिन था, तो मैंने ये जस्ट वरना जो सेकेंड मतलब कल से मैं चैप्टर वाइज जो एक्सरसाइज में क्वेश्चंस होते हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग जो है मैं पूछना चाहूंगा आप सब से। लेसन पहले ही दिया जाएगा, लेकिन इस लेसन के ऊपर फिर कल दोबारा बात होगी। लाइक ऑफ
Sir, I
टाइम
have written the summary, sir.
सॉरी या
Sir, I have written also summary.
हाँ या गो यस नाउ हियर आरती कैन यू शो मी योर फेयर नोटबुक बेटा? आरती कैन यू शो मी? आरती योर फेयर नोटबुक ready? Aarti, can you hear me? Amrita, can you hear me? Amrita,
Yes, sir.
fair notebook, can you show me your fair notebook? Yes, show me. Amrita, your fair notebook. Abhishek, can you show me? Abhishek Sharma.
Yes, sir.
Show me your fair notebook. Yeah.